Hello, welcome to another episode of Charlie Drives, and with me I have got...
Guys, it's Rob from iValet. We're here today because Charlie phoned me in desperate need of a quick scrub up top.
Well, yeah, and you also watched my video where I was clearly desperate.
You were very desperate. On many occasions you've been very desperate.
Careful.
We're just here with some of the guys from iValet to come and clean up the new Boxster. So let's go and take a look outside, see how it looks.
What do you think of the car, wife?
Go away.
What do you think of the car?
Go away.
What do you think of the car?
Money.
What? Waste of what?
Money.
Love you.
Waste of money. No.
No. It's not wastage. Not a handbag. Do you mind talking me through what you've done to the roof?
What we've done is we've fully cleaned it.
Yeah.
Scrubbed it about 3 times.
Yeah.
Chemical to loosen all the dirt and bring it to the top of the roof.
Okay.
Jet washed it about 3 times to get right in there because there was quite a lot of algae embedded in the roof.
Nice.
And then we've just treated it with some G-Technic roof seal.
Good.
Should let the water.
Nice.
Well, should bead quite well and stop water getting inside it and stuff.
Excellent.
Just wiping it down now, getting the silicone off the paint.
Nice. It's looking amazing. It's looking very, very good indeed. There they go, they've done a great job. Have a look at this. We've got a bit of cosmetic issues here on the front. So just looking at the front of the car now, that blemish that was at the front is now completely gone, which is absolutely great. It's fantastic, really, really impressive. This is drying out at the moment. So yeah, definitely glad we bought the Boxster. Anyone actually going to let us out? Nope. Could have probably just gone. It's got a bit of a clutch smell to it.
Oh yeah.
Very easy clutch smell. I need to kind of figure out whether maybe the pedal needs to be adjusted.
Yeah.
But the clutch has been replaced, so yeah.
Can't beat a smelly crutch.
We like a smelly clutch. I'm going. It's alright, isn't it?
She's a bit pokey, isn't she?
She's alright.
Yeah, she goes.
Yeah. So anyway, just a bit of an update. Now that the roof's been done and the front end has been polished very nicely by my good friends at iValet UK, done a brilliant job. Really would highly recommend them if and they come to you, which is very convenient.
You've got to say that, though, don't you?
Yeah, well, obviously.
I'm sitting here.
Yeah. I don't have to go anywhere.
Thank you, mate.
I don't even have to go to Tesco's. No.
You're right.
I wouldn't go to Tesco's. Well, I could go to Tesco's.
You're not going to go to Tesco's?
No, I'm not going to go to Tesco's. I'll cut that bit out.
Thanks to Lewis and Dan for doing the roof.
Yeah, thanks guys. Really, really good job. But yeah, incredibly pleased. Just gone through a red light.
Prove it.
Yeah, exactly. Prove it.
You know what? We really need to do another road trip, don't we?
Yeah, we need to do another road trip.
We need to get back to the peaks or somewhere quiet. With
Pyrenees?
some more amazing road. Pyrenees, yeah.
Pyrenees.
Yeah. The Alps.
Very nice.
Anywhere with some mountains.
That would be fun. The brake pad lights come on, so we'll have to get that checked out before the next track day. But track day on the 25th of June.
25th of June at Snetterton, full day.
Open pit lane.
It is an open pit lane, however all the garages have now sold and I imagine tickets are probably now very limited.
Getting limited, yeah.
But it'll be a great crack, really, really good day.
And it'll make for a good video.
Absolutely. That's why
sure.
we're all here, right?
Exactly, mate. So, yeah, very good.
And also the full day events have got slightly higher noise limits, I believe, as well. So generally you get
105, isn't it?
the Radicals and the McLarens and the, well, they're not so noisy, I suppose. The higher end stuff generally turns up in the day, so they're going to be really gutted when us loonies turn up in our Boxsters and 3 Series.
Oh, yes! It's pretty quick though, isn't it, mate?
Very quick.
There's a car coming.
No,
Oh,
you're clear.
what a shame.
You'd have got round there.
Yeah, I know, but
You'd have annoyed someone. But
yeah. Maybe a little bit of poo might have come out of that.
We don't endorse annoying other motorists. Sorry.
Sorry! So yeah, if this gets through its first track day, I'll be mighty happy, I
Yeah.
think.
And if it doesn't, then at least you know what you need to fix.
Yeah. Shake down, shake the car down a bit, iron out the issues,
Yeah.
but hopefully there won't be too many, if at all any. But yeah, we'll see.
Has it been serviced? You had a fresh
Yes,
service?
it's been serviced. I might go to a garage and get the brakes looked at, hence the
Yeah.
lights just come on.
Who's going to be doing that for you?
Don't know.
Okay.
I called Bartek and still waiting for them to call me back.
Oh, okay.
So
I was thinking Gerald might be an option.
I don't know if Gerald would. He doesn't like to touch Germans.
Oh, okay.
Just like touching Germans. If you could put a word in, mate.
Yeah, of course, man.
Just say Charlie's just bought a Boxster S
Yeah.
and would love for you to just have a look at the pads, maybe
Yeah.
replace the pads.
Yeah.
I'd rather go somewhere. I don't need to go somewhere expensive.
No, exactly. Don't need to go to Porsche to get
Yeah.
pads changed.
Yeah.
You could even upgrade pads.
Yeah. Well.
Go for some track pads.
Yeah. Well, if he's up for fitting them,
Yeah.
that'll be good.
If you supply them.
Yeah, I'll supply them. I just need to know what
Want to go like
what's going to fit.
EBC,
Red stuff.
maybe, yeah, red
Yellow
and
stuff.
green,
Yeah,
or any
green.
of them.
Yeah.
If you're going to use it on the road as well, you don't want anything that's like majorly hard.
No. As long as they're durable and they last, that's the main thing.
Yeah, exactly. So guys, if anyone wants to get in touch with Ivala UK regarding anything car cleaning, polishing, soft top roof related, it's ivalauk.com, or like we said, we'll be at the track day at Snetterton on the 25th of June if anyone just wants to have a car cleaning related chat.
And I'll leave all of those details down below in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, and we'll see you for the next video. Bye.